View as well, I'll try resetting the memory in this battery here, but it's no more. I'll do a voltage check. It's been on the charger for about an hour and it just finished charging. Did this a couple of times and tested it and it was weak output all the time. So what's the voltage on this thing? There you go, 9.4 volts. I've got a dead cell or two in there. Yep. Can't get a good connection like that. But yeah, it's 9.4 volts. It won't hold 12 volts anymore. I've tried this thing several times to revive it, it just won't charge up properly. Although it does say normal fully charging the charger, but this doesn't hold full 12 volts. So I think this is up for EOL maybe. I'll call it EOL this. It's not much good to me, it won't hold 12 volts anymore. Let's finish this off, I think. Yeah, it's not going to hold 12 volts anymore. Let's finish it off. It's weak as piss. Shorter here, finish it off. Yeah, it's dead anyway. As I said, it's useless now. Those cells are too far gone. I hope that reset its memory. I don't know what will. It ain't going to reset no more. Bit of current there. Bit of current there. Take it outside. Like that. Okay, like that. I won't get much good cells out of that battery. It's just too weak to salvage anything useful from. I won't get nothing useful out of that. So let's finish it off. That'll reset its memory. There we go. Yeah. Doesn't seems like it's still got a lot of current there, but it's not enough to be of any use. A bit of smoke, that's it. No venting cells. Got kind of hot there. Yeah. Let's give it a voltage check on this thing. Alright, this is my raw dang power supply here with the nut turned on. It's got off at the wall. This will work as an alternator with no power hooked up to it. So let's see what this reads. This even turns on. If there's current there, it will turn on and give me a reading. What voltage am I left at here? 5.8 volts. Yeah. Yeah, it's going down. Not very good. 5.8 volts. Not going to charge because it's too hot. I could try. Put on the charger. No, too hot. It's flashing the red light. I'll chuck it in the drill. Get my little drill out. Get my drill out here. Wow, that's plenty of power there. It was the same, not very much better even without the short circuit there. That's not really useful at all. Useless battery. Oh well. I've pulled this battery apart and I've got all the cells are rated at 2.5 amp hour each. NIMH cells. So that is pretty close to its rating there, 3 amp hour. It's not far off it, so I've got a good deal on this battery. Let's see here. I've got some other. I noticed in the other video, before where I put them, I'll probably put them somewhere else now, but well, it's not in here. The old brushes, I didn't quite get them on camera properly. But yeah, they were pretty cracked up. I'll find where I put them. Yeah, they were pretty, as I said, they were pretty cracked up. I didn't really get a good shot of them. Yeah, I don't know where I put them now, but well, anyway, let's edit that battery. This Nicad battery was totally dead, and I've fixed it, gave it a good charge, and my ruling power supply. I sort of replaced a diode in there, like a Zenith diode for the charger. The battery won't charge at its original charger now. Maybe I should get an IMAX, a genuine IMAX or Turnigy light bulb multi-battery charger, IMAX B6 or something like that, because I can charge any battery with it and just program any voltage into it and it'll charge any battery. I've fixed that one up alright, that's had a good reset and a good charge. The 7.2 volt cells, I charge them at about 12 volts at 6 amps. I just monitored the temperature. When I started to get a little bit warm, too warm, I just turned the voltage down a little bit and left this just forcibly charge it and fixed them up. It seems to have reset the memory on them. But boy, this one's still hot, look at that. That's hot. See if I can open this up. Let's tear it down. Let's tear this battery down. Hot. This would have killed the dendrites inside them. 24, 44, 46. I'll do a voltage check on it. I'll tear this whole pack down and do a voltage check of each individual cell. And we'll see if we can throw them in a smart charge and do a test. Might have a couple of good cells in there. That one's 60 degrees Celsius. Yeah, about 60 degrees Celsius. Oh yeah. Oh. Time will tell when it cools down. I'd pull that pack down. Should have 2 good cells in there. I got about four cells out of the last pack. That was just over 1 amp hour each. I got 4 good cells out of this pack here, over 1 amp hour. The rest, one dead one, and the rest are under around about 800 milliamp hour. And the lowest was about 300 milliamp hour, so not very good. But I definitely kept the higher amp hour ones for the. I'm going to turn them into C-cell, as I said, turn them into C-cell batteries. Solder some blobs on the top, so I turn them into button tops, and just use it for power and beam boxes and stuff. Smells warm in there. They're hot. Hot, hot, hot. There. Yeah, 5.74 volts. I'll let those cool down and I'll just pull this pack down. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching. I'll tie it down now. Makes sense. These 4 cells are all 1.2 volts. They're good. These are all 0. They're gone. So I've got 1, 2, 4 dead ones. 4 good ones. Now I'm going to test these 2. 5 and 5. 50-50. 5 good cells and 5 bad cells. These are all 0 volts. Totally dead. Okay. Little one's missing all the action. So I'm going to let those cool, clean those up, and I'm going to test those and see what the capacity is on those, see what they test. These are, yeah, just totally, these are totally dead. And BLR was a manufacturer by the looks of it. Those cells are totally dead. I'll keep the cardboard off and I'll make labels on them so I can label them. I keep those for labelling. The rest should just be popped on the welder. The cadmium oxide and that makes a nice orange smoke when it's popped on the welder. But it is cadmium, which is toxic, heavy metal, so be careful. But it's fun nonetheless. Should one day get the Lincoln generator, bring that here, the own end one, and that'll be for popping batteries, saving some power bills too. Anyway, let those cool down for a while, and I'll test these when I get time. Yeah, let them cool right down. Don't want to go testing it, they're too warm. Let them cool down. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.